for 20 to 25 minutes, guys. I'm using strong chicken. You don't want your chicken to be hard. Guys, we go ahead and parboil our rice. We just have to leave our water to boil. After that, we add our rice. I'm using 2 cups of rice, guys. So we are going to parboil our rice for 6 to 7 minutes. After that, we remove our rice, give it a good watch, leave it to cool. Back to our chicken. Our chicken is boiling, and we just have to leave it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes. And okay, guys, so it is 7 minutes. We just go ahead and remove our rice from the fire, give it a good watch, like we are going to remove all the starch from the rice, and we are going to leave our rice to sit. Okay, so our chicken is ready. We just go ahead and drain the water, like we go ahead and remove all the ingredients that we use in boiling the chicken. We don't want that ingredients. Why? Okay, so just go ahead and add your meat stock, your rice, your curry powder, Maggi and salt for taste, and give it a good mix and leave everything to cook for 20 minutes. Add your oil in the pot and start frying your chicken. It's 20 minutes and our rice is ready. We just go ahead and remove it from the fire, take it out from the pot and keep it in a bowl for it to cool. Ingredients: we have sliced red onion. In the bowl we have carrot, green pea, sweet corn, and here we have hot dog that I just sliced, vegetable oil that we have. Okay, so add your butter, and after add your onion, give it a good stir. After that, go ahead and add your vegetable to cook for 2 to 3. Add in your veggies. You go ahead and add a cube of Maggi and a pinch of salt and give it a good stir. Remove it and keep it in the bowl and start frying your rice like I'm doing in the video. Guys, so you just go ahead and fry your rice bit by bit until everything is done. After adding the veggies and the rice, just leave it to cook for 2 minutes before taking it off. This is the final look of our Nigerian fried rice. It's looking so yummy. I just go ahead and start eating this right away. Guys, you can make fried rice for birthday parties, weddings. Everybody, we have come to the end of this video. Please support your girl by subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and see you all in my next video.